And yes, so many people, right, when they want to start off learning about federal contracting and you've never ran a business before, it can be challenging. That's why we made the federal contracting roadmap. And the first thing that we do in the federal contracting roadmap is tell you to evaluate, right, whether or not this is for you. Now, we talk about 8 reasons why we believe that you can do this. So it's not like we discourage people from doing it. However, over my 7+ years of training and my 24 years of actually performing federal contracts, I realized that we're not all made the same. And so for some people, right, they may want to take an easier approach to this. So again, first set of homework, right, when looking at federal contracts is having a basic understanding of what federal contracts are and what does it take to get involved in federal contracting so that you can decide whether it's right for you. This particular person made a good point. We teach consulting as a model. Consulting is how I got started through federal contracting journey 24 years ago, back in '08. I started consulting for an 8A company, and that gave me the experience and also some capital to start doing my own prime contracts. So after about 18 months of helping this other company and then working with a second firm, I was able to build up enough capital to start doing work as a prime contractor. So that may be a path for you. But again, thank you for sharing that journey and thank you for learning about it, because this person, particularly individual, learned and decided that, okay, it's not time for me to prime. And that's okay, because I'll give you a secret. My biggest contract that I ever won, that was over $5 million, I won as a subcontractor, not as a prime. So don't think that you've got to be a prime to win. But again, the Federal Contracting Roadmap helps you understand all these nuances so you can make the best decision for you.